Welcome to the Docker Tips, Tricks and Techniques course. My name is Tomasz. I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I am working in cloud applications on production for past 6 years. So let's see what we will learn in this course. In the section number 1, we'll be working with Docker images by diagnosing and testing them. So we'll be looking at the tools of making them better. Then in the section number 2, we'll do a troubleshoot Docker networking and communication. So networking and network in Docker. Section number 3 will be about running databases with Docker storage, persistent and data management. Then we'll go to the container orchestration with Kubernetes, and we will see how Kubernetes is using Docker. Section 5 will be about security. So Docker and Kubernetes security. Next, we'll be looking at the Docker performance troubleshooting and monitoring using existing Docker tooling. Finally, we'll do multi-container applications in the cloud. So let's see what prerequisites this course have. So Java and Docker needs to be installed. Also, you need to have Sublime Text Editor or any other text editor. Finally, modern laptop or desktop concerning hardware. And this course is designed for developers, sysadmins, DevOps and IT professionals who are familiar with using Docker and want to use Docker and its services more efficiently to increase productivity and performance. This course will equally benefit those who are struggling with issues related to operations, networking, storage, and databases and looking for effective ways to troubleshoot them. Some level of proficiency with Docker and AWS is assumed. So key features of this course is use Docker tricks and techniques to make your Docker-based applications more robust and fault-tolerant. You will learn how to leverage Docker networking and persistence in Docker images to make them fully production-ready. Finally, you will learn how to undertake orchestration of multi-container setups in the cloud using Docker Compose. So in the next section, that will be the first one, we'll be working with Docker images by diagnosing and testing them using Docker APIs.